MH177. All right, so right here, oh, it keeps fogging up. Okay, right here, there's a door you can go in right here with the key, and we've been mostly just using this entrance, which is going into the screened-in porch. Right here, we've got kind of stuff strewn around already. This screened-in porch, it has a nice ceiling fan, plenty of seats, a table. Looking out this way, super quiet street. Like, it's been great to be on. So all this stuff right here is where you walk in. So we'll walk in, and this is looking at the living room. Coat rack. All right, this is the living room. Pull out couches. Here, TV. The dining room table that I showed you guys. Okay, and then going down this hallway is to the master bedroom. We'll head there first. This is that other door where you can come in. This is like a storage closet. Okay, so this is the master bedroom. Big king size bed. You do here have to bring your own sheets, pillowcases, and towels. So we have all of this. Robert and his silly fan that he wanted to bring. So I did bring my baby monitor, and this is the only spot it'll keep signal with where Kova's staying. So this is the room. A pretty large closet over here. Probably can't see in there. Oh, you can. It has a rollaway bed. I have our suitcases and stuff stored in there. It's huge. All right, looking that way, that is the bathroom. I'm gonna apologize if things aren't super clean. I haven't had time. Oh, yeah. Towel laid there from where Kova had a bath, but bathtub. Sorry, I got the shower curtain rolled up so Kova wouldn't pull it in. Big bathtub. Kova took a bath last night. Double vanity here. Potty in the corner. Yeah, so big bathroom. Okay, headed back down the hallway from the master bedroom. When you make it back into the living room, we're gonna walk into the dining room. And then from the dining room, this room right here is what we're letting Kova sleep in. So it's a full-size bed. He's staying in here. He slept in it all night. And then, okay, and then this door is actually a little bathroom in here. It's a 3-bathroom. There we go. So there's a potty, the sink, and it has a shower in it. So there is the bathroom. Okay, headed back this way. We'll make it to the kitchen. I think that's the air purifier beeping at us. In here we have the kitchen, full kitchen. I mean, it is fully stocked. When I tell you guys that it's fully stocked, it has everything you will need. I brought my own like aluminum foil and spices and stuff, but that is all here. You will not, like, I don't know if it's always like that, but we didn't need to bring all the stuff that we brought, but it's really nice to have that. It has a dishwasher, refrigerator, the big oven, the microwave. I mean, everything you need. So much seating, like 4 people can sit here, 2 at the counter, and then you can also do 2 here at the little breakfast nook. And then down this hallway, well, we have a washer and dryer. a washer and dryer. Down here is Joanne's room. It's a queen size. That over there is a little closet. And then her bathroom. Let's see, where's the light? It's one of the lights. There's the other one. So her bathroom's pretty big too. A sink here. A big shower. It actually has a really big shower. The potty over here in the corner. Yeah, so it's actually pretty big. All right. There we go. Yeah, so she has that bed. Each room has like a little TV in it. Closet's little, but works. That one's locked, so I'm sure it's got stuff for the owners of the house. And then there's also a door here to go outside. All right. So, I mean, that right there was the house tour. It's been a great house to stay in so far. I mean, we got here yesterday and we haven't had any complaints. Like, it's been great to stay in. Plenty of room for us. I mean, more than enough room for all 4 of us to be here. So, like I said, I'll put the link in the description box below about the rental, like where it is, so you guys can see.